of nature erase entire cities or even countries off the map? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Picture Santorini Island, nestled in the Aegean Sea. A volcanic island, it was home to a vibrant civilization until around 1600 BC. Then, in a cataclysmic event, the volcano erupted. The explosion was so powerful it obliterated most of the island, causing it to sink beneath the waves. Fast forward to 79 AD, to the bustling Roman city of Pompeii in Italy. Life was thriving until Mount Vesuvius erupted. Ash, pumice, and fiery molten rock rained down, wiping out the city and its inhabitants in a blink of an eye. In the Pacific Ocean, we find the small coral island of Moki. Life was simple until the devastating tsunami of 2004. The water swept away everything in its path, leaving nothing but memories of the island behind. Then, we have the legendary Atlantis, said to have existed in the Atlantic Ocean. This city is shrouded in mystery. It disappeared under uncertain circumstances, but many believe a massive earthquake or tsunami may have been the culprit. Old York City, an ancient English city located in York, met a similar fate in 1138. An earthquake struck, causing extensive damage and loss of life, effectively wiping the city from the map. Xinjiang City, an ancient Chinese city located in the Xinjiang region, faced a different kind of natural disaster. The Great Sandstorm of 1227 buried the city under a thick layer of sand, erasing it from the face of the earth. Moving on to Tonkin City in the Tonkin region of Vietnam. A devastating flood in 1886 resulted in the city's complete destruction and the death of most of its residents. China in 1938 experienced a series of devastating floods. They swept away millions of homes and claimed the lives of millions of people. Japan in 2011 faced a similar catastrophe. Torrential rains led to floods that claimed thousands of lives and destroyed millions of homes. Most recently, in 2022, a series of floods hit Europe. The waters wreaked havoc, causing extensive damage and loss of life. From the volcanic eruption in Santorini Island to the floods in Europe, nature has proven time and again its power to reshape landscapes and rewrite history. These once thriving cities and countries, erased by the merciless hand of nature, serve as stark reminders of the precarious balance between human civilizations and the natural world. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But it's also a reminder of our resilience and our ability to rebuild and endure.